guys, it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another What's Inside video. So today I will be opening up some squishies and some random toys we found, and I have my mom with me helping me.
Hi guys.
So let's get started.
So what would you like to cut up first? And again, we're just gonna put sorry, we're gonna put everything back into a bowl. At the end of the video, we should have a very nice collection.
All right, I think I want to open up the dumpling.
Okay.
I really want to know what's inside of it.
Yeah, me too.
We have the green plate, and then we have some scissors. So let's see what is inside. Whoa! What? Ooh, what is this stuff?
Ooh.
Glue?
What do you guys think?
Ooh. Oh.
So this is what it looks like. Could it possibly be slime, or is it really sticky like glue? I think it's kind of glue.
Should we try activating it?
Sure
There's activator right there.
Okay. Well, let's get all of it out.
All right.
And I'll bring some activators so we can make it into a slime. Did it?
Ooh.
Did it do it?
Eesh. It's working.
Is it breaking?
Yeah.
Well, that means it's overactivated.
What?
What?
You barely added any though.
Wow.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It activated. It activated.
I'm more interested in the dumpling right now. It looks really yummy. And be a good midnight snack. Dumpling makes a good midnight snack. Look how delicious this looks.
Ooh.
A little soy sauce. You're in dumpling heaven. Did you get it to slime?
Kind of.
Sure
It kind of rips it.
So dumpling has slime in it. We just have to work with it. So that's the first one. I'm just gonna cut up this into the bowl.
All right. Let's see. What should I cut up? Uh-oh, the shark's stuck. I think we should cut up this frog.
Awesome.
Whoa.
Frog. I say we just cut it straight into the bowl.
I think we should just cut it in there.
You want to cut or you want me to?
I don't know. You can cut this time.
All right. Squeeze it. This is gonna be fun.
Ready?
Wait, can't see.
Oh.
Ready and oh yay!
Whoa!
Just a few got up.
Dissecting a frog. Oh! Whoa. So it just has a bunch of like tiny little yellow orbs in it.
So we're gonna cut the frog in there. And if we have enough stuff,
Oh my.
we will make slime. Harmony, what would you like to cut up next?
The other froggy.
The other froggy?
Yes.
What do you think is in there? I feel beads, yeah.
Really tiny beads.
Tiny beads or rice beads.
Rice beads. Ooh, cookie. Oh my goodness, his mouth's weak. Oh my god, he has a tongue. Yeah. I think we should just cut
Yep, you cut it the way you think is fun.
He won't really explode that much, so.
Just make sure you're in the camera, babe.
Whoa! Really tiny beads.
What?
Oh. Oops.
Okay, it's okay. Whoa.
It's raining beads.
Whoa. This is how small the beads are. They're super round and slippery. I would say they're like smaller than a rice grain.
Yeah.
They're round too.
Like this tiny.
Yeah.
Oh, where'd it go?
Oh look, there's more going down his legs, his thighs.
Oh, he has a leg too?
Yeah.
Ooh. Does he have any in his arm? No, it's just rubber.
See? Watch.
Ooh.
Yep.
Now time to cut up the frog into tiny little pieces. Like slime crunchy, I guess.
Sorry.
Oop.
I know some of you guys don't like doing this or watching this, so you can definitely skip it. Oh, there's a like thick part.
Ooh.
That's weird. When I cut through that, that felt funny.
Oh. I can hear it. Oh.
So, of course, we would never do this to a real frog, for
Never.
sure. It's already very painful to do it to a fake one. But
Oh, his eyeballs.
sometimes it's very satisfying to be able to find out what's inside of these things. Okay, so far, what we have here
is
just a blend.
This.
A blend of frogs and what
More
else?
frogs.
Another
frog and
Was this another frog?
And
What was
a
that?
dumpling.
A dumpling and a frog and oh yeah, a yellow frog. A clear yellow frog.
So there was 2 froggies.
Yeah, that's right. So this is the results of that. Cut up the dinosaur.
Okay.
I've been looking at that dinosaur. So we are gonna cut up this really cool looking dinosaur.
Cut the skin off first.
Interesting. I think I know what it is just because we've been cutting a lot of mesh balls that have slime in it, but the thing is, you never know. Like, you can be surprised by this. Bring the bowl.
This one?
The plate, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay, so
Still
here's
got
the
some
dino.
dumpling stuff on it.
Cut the outside first. This. I'll cut like this, guys. Is that dangerous? I want it to pop. Ready?
Oh my gosh!
Broken half. Oh, very clean one.
Whoa! You
What
don't
is
need
it?
this.
Is it slime?
Yeah. It's kind of like a
So
jiggly.
here's what's left over.
It's actually a really good jiggly slime.
I'm gonna cut the rest of it.
It's made in China.
So much more slime in here. Look at that.
Ooh. Yeah. It's hard to get off.
Slime usually just slides right off. There you go. It's so shiny.
Really glossy.
I found a big chunk.
Ew.
It just came out of nowhere.
Alright, so here's the slime. Oh, more slime.
This.
The dinosaur and the dinosaur in the egg inside the dinosaur.
Yep, this egg was inside the dino. And inside that was the slime. Okay, so we are gonna add to our bowl
the ooey gooey green slime.
slime. Look at
Chunks of it.
how beautiful.
Chunks and chunks. chunks.
See how that's gonna work.
Yeah.
I have a feeling that this is not gonna work out very well. You're gonna have to add a lot of slime.
Yeah.
Are you ready for that? Okay. So.
The second to last item should be this shark, because I want to save the best for last.
Okay. I wonder if anybody's curious what's inside a Squishamal.
Squishamal, aka Squeezamal.
So we're
No.
okay. You want me to cut or you want me to hold?
I will cut it,
Okay.
or you can cut it.
I don't care.
I'm scared.
Yeah, make it really nice for me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Psych. Okay. 1, 2, and.
Whoa! Whoa!
That wasn't too
That
bad.
wasn't actually bad, but that was cool.
Yeah, that's
So
fun.
they come in tiny little Orby beads.
The broken RBD.
Yeah, that's true. It's been squished too much. Poor Sharky.
But there's nice big whole RBD beads in here as well. And then there's some broken ones. Is that all of it?
I think it is.
Oh,
Oh, no,
there's
no,
so
no.
much
It's
left.
not. It's not. It's not. I'm just gonna cut this shark. Ooh. Ooh. What the noise? Do you guys hear that? Sushi. Okay, so we have shark rings.
The calamari rings.
Yeah. And then tinier, and tinier, tinier. Until we get to the fin. Cut that in half.
Now what we really need to figure out is cutting up Squishamals to see what's inside. Would you like to do it, or would
yes,
you like
I
me
would like to do
to? Okay,
it.
you do it.
Alright, so I'm going to start right here and cut along this line right here. So,
And these are like lightly scented, so we're gonna find out if we can find out how they lightly scent these. You might need your fabric.
oh my god, I got it. Whoa! Is that the foam? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Whoa! Oh my gosh. So, I'm going to actually sew this back, so I'm not going to cut the fabric off. But, whoa! Oh my gosh, I flipped it into...
Oh,
No way! Is this the... Oh!
so this is what's
Oh my
inside a Squishamal.
That is so cool! Whoa! Ew! What's that?
Number 3. Let me see.
Oh!
Oh, it smells. It smells like watermelon.
It smells.
Now, does the fabric smell? Huh? Harmony.
Huh?
Does that fabric smell?
Kind of. It's really light.
Really
Uh-oh.
light? Yeah, so
Some
guys,
fabric.
this is what's inside of a Squishamal.
Oh.
So this is just basically a very slow rising foam.
It's just a ball in there.
Yeah, it's just a ball of very slow rising foam. It's a bit sticky. Let's see, we have a squishy that we can compare it to. We found a perfect example. So there's this earth ball, and it's just very soft.
It's really soft.
And this is what's inside the Squishamal, and they just basically using very similar materials. They don't have to decorate it on the outside. And they just put a
Fabric.
fabric cover,
Little fabric cover.
and it's genius. It's a genius idea.
I know, it's so
because why? Because your
Squishy never
squishies
gets defected.
can't get defected, or they can't get defected as easily. because you know,
It's
even with
inside the
fabric, some people can like make it. They can still defect.
It's hard to rip.
Yeah, it's good material.
Oh, I ripped it.
Oh no!
But we're cutting it anyway.
So what? Oh, wait.
What?
So what are we doing with it? Do you guys want us to cut that and put it into our concoction here, or should I keep it and put it back into the bumblebee? Cut it.
Bumblebee. This is a ladybug.
They all look the same to me, you know.
What?
Okay, so Harmony says she wants to cut it, put it into here, make slime, and show you guys the awesome slime.
Yes, yes.
So we're gonna spend a few minutes cutting, guys. So we cut it open like this, and look at the inside. It's
that is so smooth.
So smooth, and it's super white. And check out my fingers on it. Like so slow rising. Look at that. They are super slow rising. Beautiful. So I'm going to continue cutting.
This is all we put in today. So we have this really interesting slime that we're going to be making. So we're going to add clear glue into it. And we're going to attempt to make slime. So we do not know if this will turn out well or not.
Maybe we can make some really crunchy cube slime.
Cube slime, jelly cube slime?
Oh, jelly cube.
Whoa, that's satisfying. All right, I think that's good enough. That was a lot. Oh, where's the cubes? Ooh.
Because there's already some slime in here.
That's true.
So I need to mix the slime up.
Alright. Should I add the activator?
Not yet.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
That is so
Does this look edible?
weird. No.
There we go. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. Add the... Okay guys, this is the slime, the end product of the slime. So I can show you guys. It looks disgusting. It's a total fail, but it is very beautiful. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's got parts that I don't know where they came from, but it is slime. It's just that it's got so much stuff in it.
It's pretty crunchy.
Yeah, let's listen to it. We're gonna do ASMR. Okay, with Mommy. Never done ASMR before, but I'll try. Sorry guys, I am completely failing on this. But you know what? It was fun. It was super fun to do. And I had a lot of fun working with Harmony. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will be doing more of these What's Inside videos very soon.
So guys, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to do in the next video.